Sparsh, you seem tense.
Yes, Priya, managing our office assets has become quite challenging. So, is there any way to streamline all?
Absolutely. Asset management module of the HRMS would help you to keep a track and make your asset management easy and efficient.
How?
Sure. The asset management module have all the details of the assets that you have in stock as well as the assets that you use for your office. As well as it helps you to assign the assets on this portal so that you could keep a track on the asset history as well as manage all the assignments and the returns.
You said about the history, like how can we check the history of a particular asset?
Sure, there is a search asset option where if you search by any, for example, the SIM number, if you enter 12345, it will show you the entire history. The asset was assigned to whom, is being used by whom, and even if it is usable or dead.
That's very insightful. But recharge karwana, does it handle the recharge and all?
Absolutely, we took care of that as well. You don't remember the SIM recharges, it would remember for you. You could enter the SIM recharges details, when was the SIM last recharged, and it would automatically give you the reminder that recharge is pending now.
That's great. And how about generating the reports?
Absolutely, it helps you manage your assets report very easily. It combines all of the histories of the assets, returns, assignments, dead stock as well, and provide you with the entire asset report on this portal so that you could do this work seamlessly.
And one more thing, some employees used to bring their own devices. Like
Yeah.
there is a term like BYOD, bring your own device. So what's about that?
We got you covered. If a certain employee use their own devices for work, even you could manage their details on the same module where you could activate or deactivate their BYODs as well as enter all the details about their devices they are using.
That's very practical and it will simplify so many daily tasks. And I must say, it is incredibly detailed and it is user friendly.
Absolutely. So make your life easier with the
The
HRMS.